guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are interested in seeing or hearing about my top 3 curling or twisting creams, definitely keep on watching. So my first cream that I'll be talking about is one from African Pride Moisture Miracle, and that is the Shea Butter and Flaxseed Oil Moisturize and Define Curling Cream. This is my all-time favorite product for curls and also for twists. Upon the application, my hair is defined. It makes me want to do a wash and go with this product, which I probably should if you guys want to see me do a wash and go with just the curling cream without a mousse, just by itself. Let me know. But honestly, it brings out my curls, and not only that, it keeps my hair moisturized for the duration of my mini twists. Really and truly, there's nothing else I can say other than the fact that it is an extremely affordable product. So you have the moisturizing, you have the defining character, and you also have the fact that it's affordable. Win all across the board. Next, I have the Camille Rose Naturals Almond Joy Twisting Butter. I've actually grown to enjoy this product. It is a butter, however, it is on the thinner side, so it can still work for my hair because I am straying away from thick products. But honestly speaking, this product keeps my hair so silky whenever I use the butter for mini twists. I haven't tried it for a wash and go or anything else. However, whenever I use it for mini twists or even a twist out, my hair is extremely soft. It keeps my hair soft and it keeps my hair moisturized. It is on the pricier side in Barbados, but it keeps my hair moisturized. Emphasis on keeps my hair moisturized, and it also, emphasis again, keeps my hair soft. So get your hands on the Almond Joy Twisting Butter and let me know how you find it in the comment section down below. This last product is extremely new to me, however, it landed in my top 3 in such a short span of time, and it is the Flower and Curl Sweet Hibiscus Twist and Braid Cream. Honestly speaking, although it is a thick product, it is extremely creamy, and it defined my braids and my twists when I used the cream for both styles. For my braid out, excellent results. For my twist out, excellent results. It's not in Barbados, however, it is on the affordable side, so I would definitely try this product, even if it means that you would have to get it shipped in or wherever you are. But if you're able to access it, honestly, pick it up, because although it is on the thicker side, the definition that you get from this cream is immaculate. I will put the videos that I posted using the cream on the screen and in the description box down below so that you can check it out after this video, as well as for the other twisting cream and butter that I mentioned. I will put those videos in the description box down below so that you could check it out. Trust and believe, my hair loved all of these products that I mentioned, and I hope that your hair will also love them, because not only do they work, but they also have good ingredients. That's the key thing about it. They have good ingredients, and they're also affordable for the most part, so why not pick them up and try them? So this is the end of this short video. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you are interested in more natural hair content, definitely subscribe and turn on your post notifications so that you never miss an upload, and make sure to like this video so that it can reach more people, and share this video with someone who's interested in trying a new twisting cream or curling cream, or just a hair butter but has no idea which one will work well on their type 4 hair. Definitely send this video to them, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.